आदमी को बहुत परेशानी है, जो डेली के रूटीन वाले हैं उनको बहुत ज्यादा परेशानी है।
थोड़ा साइड में लगा लो, साइड में लगा लो।
Good evening. You watching India Speaks on NDTV 24/7, the show that brings you voices of real India on issues that matter to all of us. I'm Neha Khanna. Today we are again focusing on the special NDTV campaign Say No to the VIP culture in India. And as more and more people around the country raise their voices against this menace, there was yet another manifestation of the ugly VIP culture on display, this time in the heart of Mumbai, where people were made to wait for almost an hour and a half for Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis's convoy to arrive. The Chief Minister was attending an event at the National Sports Club. The traffic police stalled vehicles of the general public to make way for the Chief Minister's convoy and even denied entry to club members. The members claimed they were pushed back when they started protesting. The Chief Minister has since issued an apology stating that he obeys rules and is himself against the VIP culture. Joining me for more on that now is my colleague Nikita Arora. She joins me from Mumbai. Nikita, perhaps credit should be given to the Chief Minister of Maharashtra, who's at least apologized, saying he is himself against the VIP culture, because fact is not too many politicians even do that. But what's unfortunate is that we know this is not an isolated case. This is just one of the many examples of this ugly VIP culture that we see across India, where these so-called VIPs just take the rest of us for a ride.
Absolutely, Neha. In fact, I'm right now at NSCI. This is where the incident happened yesterday. Club members were trying to get inside. They were denied entry at the gate. There was almost a 3-kilometer long jam. But I have club members with me who experienced this yesterday, and I'm just going to speak to them. Mrs. Ahuja, you were here yesterday. What exactly happened?
Yesterday was a very bad experience for all of us. We were stuck at least for 3 hours. For 3 kilometers we were sitting in the car. And that doesn't mean the Chief Minister comes and we are neglected. The police didn't give us any response, and they were lying that there is no place, but there was ample place inside. I'm sure, anybody will feel very bad, but this is the first time which has happened in NSCI Club. It's never happened before.
It's never happened before, sir. I spoke to the police and they were saying that the reason club members were not being allowed inside was because there wasn't enough parking. But you were telling me a different story.
Yeah, because I reached here about 8:20, and there was a big traffic jam outside. So I asked the police, I said, why don't you let us go in? He said, no, there's no parking inside. I said, that's not possible. He said, no, there's no parking inside, so we can't let you go in. So I parked my car outside and I walked inside to see if there was parking or not. I think there were about 15 to 20 car parks on the ground floor available. So I went back and told them, I said, there is a car park, why don't you let it go? For which he had no answer, he just kept quiet. So there was no point arguing with the police at that time.
Right.
So we just kept standing there.
And after the VIP convoy left, you were allowed?
VIP convoy left at about 8:40, 8:45. After that, they opened up all the gates.
They opened up all the gates. Sir, you're the Secretary General of the club. You yourself went to the gate yesterday. What did the police tell you?
When I went out, there was a long queue and a lot of people are trying to come inside, but they refused to let them in. I told them, let the members who have the car with the sticker, NSA sticker, allow them, because they are club members. They said, don't interfere in our work. So,
Right. So the police there, the club management, he did speak to the club management. The club management did speak to the police, but the police said that there's little they can do because they don't have the orders to allow the club members inside. And there was VIP movement, so there wasn't much that they could do. But the Chief Minister has since issued an apology, and I think that should be taken in positive light because it's really setting the right example.
Absolutely, Nikita. The Chief Minister's apology is something that should certainly be welcomed. But of course, VIP movement there really causing havoc in the streets of Mumbai. Thanks very much for bringing us those voices. Of course, another very ugly manifestation of this so-called VIP culture that we see all the time is at toll gates, where you have dedicated VIP lanes with the so-called VIPs just whizzing through, refusing to even pay a 20-30 rupee toll. And VIP movement is a major issue in the city of Patna too, a place where regular traffic chaos is compounded whenever a so-called VIP has to travel. Though traffic isn't halted for very long within the city, the ripple effect on the Aam Aadmi is immense. Let's now go across to my colleague Alok Pandey, who boarded a bus to speak to people about this menace.
Well, we are on a bus in Patna right now. This is one of the major intersections in Patna from where a lot of people take buses. At this moment, a lot of them are taking buses towards their home. The bus and the auto in Patna is the Sawari of the Aam Aadmi, you can call it that. And a lot of people here have views on VIP movement and how that inconveniences them. Sir, आपका नाम क्या है?
मेरा नाम भानु प्रताप वर्मा।
कहाँ काम करते हैं भानु जी आप?
प्रोफेशनल हैं।
ये बस लेके आप घर जाते हैं रोज?
जी जी।
तो एक बात जानना चाहेंगे भानु जी, आजकल हम देश में बहुत इंस्टेंसेस देख रहे हैं जहाँ पे वीआईपी मूवमेंट होता है, उसकी वजह से क्या होता है कि आपकी बस हुई, ऑटो हुई, उसको रोक दिया जाता है। पहले वीआईपी साहब जाते हैं, फिर आपका बस और आपके लोग जाते हैं। तो इसको आप सही मानते हैं या आपको लगता है कि गलत है, नहीं होना चाहिए एज अ कॉमन पर्सन जो रोज बस लेता है?
ऐसा है कि ऐसा स्वाभाविक है कि देर होती है तो ऐसे भी जाम में हम लोग फंसे रहते हैं, और इस बात माने कि वीआईपी कल्चर के कारण रोक दिया जाता है और बहुत टाइम वेस्टेज होता है। 5-10 मिनट की बात रहे तो ठीक है, कभी कभी 20-20 मिनट 30-30 मिनट है समय लग जाता है। उसके बाद फिर हम लोग जाम में फंस जाते हैं तो बहुत कष्ट होता है। उसके बाद जाम लग जाता है, ट्रैफिक जाम हो जाता है।
आपका नाम क्या है?
आनंद सोम।
आनंद, तुम क्या करते हो?
सर मैं अभी इंजीनियरिंग की पढ़ाई की और केंद्रीय विद्यालय दानापुर कैंट में एज ए कंप्यूटर टीचर मैंने काम किया हुआ है।
तो तुम तो यहाँ से बहुत दूर चलते हो, यहाँ से 10-15 किलोमीटर चलते हो। तुमने भी बहुत बार देखा होगा कि बस रोक दी, पहले वीआईपी साहब गए, उसके बाद तुम लोग को जाने दिया। यंग हो, एक नई धारा एक तरह से सोच के रिप्रेजेंट करते हो, लगता है सही है?
मुझे लगता है सर कि वीआईपी लोगों के पास टाइम कम होता है, इस लिहाज से उनको जल्दी पहुँचना जरूरी है। लेकिन उनका जो काफिला होता है वो काफ़ी बड़ा होता है। अपने ही राज्य में, अपने ही शहर में वो जा रहे हैं, इतनी गाड़ियाँ, एम्बुलेंस, तो मुझे लगता है काफिला उनका जो काफिला है उसको और कम करना चाहिए। 2-3 गाड़ी से वो निकलें तो बाकी पब्लिक को भी दिक्कत नहीं होगा। कई बार राज्यपाल का निकला है या फिर मुख्यमंत्री का ही गया है, तो मुझे कई बार रुकना पड़ा, और देर इस वजह से होता है कि वो ट्रैफिक क्लियर कराने में 20-25 मिनट मॉक टेस्ट जो ले लेते हैं उसके बाद वो गाड़ी आती है।
बहुत बार नेता कहते हैं हमको तो मालूम ही नहीं था कि इतना मतलब हम लोग के लिए रोका गया। ये मानते हो कि तुमको लगता है बहाने ही है?
अगर वो ऐसा कहते हैं तो यहाँ पे उनको ट्रैफिक प्रशासन पे ध्यान देना चाहिए और इसके लिए कोई नीति बनानी चाहिए कि अगर हम लोग कभी गए या कभी शहर में जाना पड़ा पीक आवर में चाहे बीच में ही, तो ट्रैफिक हमारे शहर का किस तरीके से कंट्रोल होगा, इसके ऊपर भी वो प्लान करने की जरूरत है, उनको ध्यान देना चाहिए।
I think these are very articulate people who are telling us about how they have experienced this VIP culture firsthand and how they think that something needs to be done, because at the end of the day, these are the people who face the most troubles in commuting every day. These are the people who use buses, autos, the common man as we say, and they really need more from our public servants, the VIPs, to ensure that they have at least a trouble-free journey to wherever they are going. That's something that our VIPs should certainly ensure. That's the sentiment, that's the thought coming in from Patna.
Just one of many examples of how VIP movement in our cities can cause havoc on the streets and cause a great deal of inconvenience to the Aam Aadmi. But in another development that we welcome, Telangana Rashtra Samiti leader Hanumant Rao has now apologized for his party colleagues after many of them blocked some public roads for party meetings and other so-called VIP activities. Rao spoke to my colleague Uma Sudhir.
What we are seeing here is not something uncommon in any city of India, any political party, any MP, MLA or even a minister. Yesterday we had reported about how 2 ministers, in fact in front of the home of Commercial Taxes Minister Srinivas Yadav, had blocked the public road because a party function was going on. Right now we are in the Begumpet area of Hyderabad, and as you can see, party meeting going on in the middle of the road, and the road has also been blocked. The public presumably not asking any questions, and the political parties in many senses presuming a right of entitlement to block any road, something that any public person perhaps would not be allowed, any ordinary person perhaps would not be allowed to do.
No, in future definitely we are going to see that we are not going to block the roads. We are going to give instructions. Already our Chief Minister told us not to block roads. I'm very sorry, because without our knowledge these people have done that, and from their side excuse me please for this time.
In Hyderabad, with camera person Nagraju, Uma Sudhir, NDTV.
Well, so it's time all of us said no to the VIP culture, and we must say that the response that the NDTV campaign has received from around the country has been very, very heartening indeed. Well, on that note, we'll slip into a short break, but when we come back, we'll bring you the latest on swine flu, whose incidence seems to be worsening with every passing day.